Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter 2 linear equations in one variable, the example 16 and 17. So example 16, the question is solve 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 which is equal to x minus 3 by 6. So first let us write the problem as it is. So 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 which is equal to x minus 3 divided by 6. So when we see the problem here one denominator is 3, one denominator is 6. Okay. So first let us simplify the equation and then we can take the variables in one side and values in another side. So in order to simplify, let us find out the LCM of the denominator terms. So what are all the denominator terms? I have 3 here. And then here anyway the denominator is 1, you can leave that. Here the denominator is 6, right. So we need to find out the LCM of these two values. So let me use 3 tables. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So using the 2 table, write your 1 as it is, 2 twos are 1. So our LCM is given by 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. So once we have determined the LCM value, okay, so in order to make it a simple, right, let us multiply 6 with all the values in the numerator, okay. So let us multiply by 6 with the given equation, okay. So 6 into 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 6 into 1 which is equal to 6 into x minus 3 divided by 6, okay. And then let us simplify the term, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 and then here nothing to cancel, here 6 get cancelled, okay. So I can multiply 2 inside, 2 6 are 12 and then x I have, so 12x plus 2 ones are 2 plus 6 ones are 6 and then I have x minus 3, okay, because 6 get cancelled. Now you can take all the x values in one side, all the other numbers in the another side. So 12x, let me take x to the left hand side, so it is minus x, here it is minus 3 plus 2 when goes to right hand side it becomes minus 2 minus 6. So 12x minus x is nothing but 11x and then minus 3 minus 2 minus 6 I have. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. So x value is given by minus 11 by 11. When this 11 goes to right hand side it will go to the denominator, right. So 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. So 1 by 1 is 1, I have minus, so minus 1. So the answer is, the solution for this problem is x equal to minus 1. So for the simple step, take the LCM of the denominator term whatever available, multiply the whole equation by 6 and then try to simplify your equation, okay. And then similarly we can solve the next example. So write the problem as it is first as a first step, 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 which is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So again in order to simplify the problem, again here in the denominator I do not have any value, meaning that it is 1 and here also it is 1, here it is 2, okay. So only one value it is available, so we can by default we can write it as 2, the LCM is 2, okay. So if you want you can write that 5x minus 1, right. In all the term I have denominator as 1, okay. So what is the LCM of 2 comma 1? It is 2, right. So the common LCM is 2. So in both left hand side and right hand side it is LCM, the value is 2. So as simple as that of your previous problem, okay. So just removing this, Okay. So, I am keeping the equation as it is. Okay. So, for your understanding I have written the 1 in the denominator. So, as simple as it of what you have to do? You have to multiply by 2 in all the terms of the given equation. Okay. So, you have determined that LCM is 2. So, multiply by 2 with the whole equation. So, 5x into 2 minus 2 into 2x minus 7 into 2 equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 into 2 plus 7 by 2 into 2. Okay. 5x into 2 is 10x, and then 2 into 2 is nothing but 4, 2x minus 7, which is equal to, again 2 into 2 is 4, 3x minus 1 plus 2 get cancelled. So, now you can simplify this equation. So, 10x minus 4 into 2x is 8x, and minus 4 into minus 7, minus into minus is plus, 4 into 7 is 28, which is equal to 4 into x is 12x, minus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 7. So, take all the x values in one side, x variables in one side, all other numbers in the another side. So, 10x minus 8x, and here plus 12, when goes to left hand side it becomes minus 12x, which is equal to minus 4 plus 7 plus 28 will become minus 28. Okay. And then, so 10x minus 8x minus 12x I have. So, 10x minus 8x is plus 2x, plus 2x minus 12x is, right, plus 2x minus 12x I have. Okay. So, it is minus 10x. Okay. So, left hand side I have minus 10x, which is equal to minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Okay. Minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3, and 3 minus 28 is nothing but minus 25. Okay. So, right hand side I have minus 25. Okay. Then minus minus get cancelled. Okay. And then I have 10x equal to 25, x equal to 25 by 10. You can apply the 5 tables, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So, I can simply write x equal to 5 by 2. So, this is my solution for the given example 17. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.